Hey there, security seekers and gadget lovers! Today we're diving into the best smart security cameras that will keep your home, pets, and nosy neighbors in check. Links to every product are listed right in the description below. Let's roll! First up, the Kasa Indoor Pan Tilt Cam. This little guy lets you live stream in crisp 1080p Full HD and pan and tilt like a high-tech security guard. Need to tell your cat to get off the counter? Boom! Two-way audio. Plus, real-time motion and sound alerts keep you updated on everything from break-ins to your dog's sneaky midnight fridge raids. And of course, it plays nice with Alexa and Google Assistant. Next, the WYZE Cam V3, basically night vision goggles for your home. Its starlight sensor sees in full color, even in the dark, and it laughs in the face of rain, IP65 rated. Got sneaky intruders? Motion and sound alerts have your back. Want 24/7 surveillance? Just pop in a micro SD card and let it roll. Bonus, it works seamlessly with your smart home. Certified big security in a tiny package. Meet the Ring Indoor Cam, the MVP of plug-and-play security. 1080p HD? Check. Color night vision? Check. Motion alerts? Double check. Plus, it has a manual privacy cover because nobody wants Big Brother watching 24/7. Mount it anywhere and control it via Alexa. Want continuous recording and extra perks? Ring Home subscriptions have you covered. Now for the outdoorsy types, the Blink Outdoor 4. Totally wireless with a 2-year battery life. Yes, you heard that right. This cam is your set-it-and-forget-it solution. Enhanced motion detection, person alerts, and 1080p live view ensure you don't miss a thing. It's Alexa-friendly, so you can go full spy mode with just your voice. Whether it's catching package thieves or raccoons stealing your garbage, Blink has your back. Then there's the Blink Mini 2, pint-sized but powerful. With 1080p HD, color night vision, and two-way audio, you can monitor your home from anywhere. Get motion alerts and smart notifications. It even detects people. Creepy, but useful. Want to place it outdoors? Just grab the weather-resistant adapter. Bonus, it doubles as a doorbell chime and chats with Alexa. Tiny, but mighty. Last but definitely not least, the blurams Dome Lite 2. This cam doesn't just watch, it auto-tracks motion. With 2K resolution for ultra-clear footage, night vision, and instant AI alerts, it's a powerhouse. It also integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant. Best part? No monthly fees for basic cloud storage, because who likes subscriptions anyway? And there you have it, your ultimate guide to home security. Whether you need full room tracking, outdoor durability, or budget-friendly indoor monitoring, there's a camera for you. Want more gadget reviews? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments which one you're getting. Links are in the description. Go check them out. Stay safe, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next one.